What's going on, guys? So many of you guys have been asking about how we were able to do the foundation badge afterwards. So let me just kind of walk you through. This is the foundation, and what they're doing is they're doing a laser etching. You don't actually feel it. It's changing the color of the steel in that area, which means that when you actually wrap it, you can see nothing. It says nothing about the foundation badge. It's not raised like some of the Model 3 or Model Y emblems that they sometimes have, like performance or something like dual motor. So what we ended up coming up with is we scanned it, we designed it, and then we created the foundation badge on vinyl, and then we used our plotter to cut it, and then the weeding sucks. But it takes a lot of time. That's the number one thing that takes time. And then we created this guide, because this guide is so important. Whenever we do anything in our shops, we have guides for everything. And it saves us a lot of time, and we have consistent results every single time. This is satin 3M volcanic flare. It's a color flip. And on top of that, we actually put PPF. So we haven't actually tucked in all the edges yet. We just actually laid this like 10 minutes ago. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you wipe it down with alcohol and water mix, like 80-20 mix. And then once we're good, we're going to go ahead and put this guide. This guide is obviously not to stay. So just keep in mind, don't squeegee it hard, but you're going to line it up to this straight edge right here and this line right here. So I start with that straight edge. Boom. I'm going to go ahead and push this down a little bit because I don't want that to move. But that's exactly where the foundation badge is going to go. We're going to go ahead and peel this, and we do all this for you. We don't just send it to you and then you have to weed it, because that would really suck. And what you want to do is you just want to align the foundation at the top and then at the side. And once you align the F and then the N, I feel pretty happy about that. Boom. I'm going to go ahead and squeegee it. I don't want to squeegee any of the black guide right here. And once you push that down, you're going to slowly peel it. So you can see, boom, look at that. Oh, a couple areas sometimes will stay, so we just push it down, no problem. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and squeegee some areas I saw kind of left. One thing is this is really hard to actually weed, so sometimes you might need to adjust this real quick, just a little bit. It's pretty good now. This will be able to withstand 5 years as well. So this is the end result. I think it looks fantastic. I love the color combo between the matte black and the sand volcanic flare. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click on that subscribe button. It allows us to make a lot of content about Cybertrucks and Teslas and other things EV. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. We are finalizing our do-yourself full wrap kit for the Cybertruck, which most of them are going to be foundation in the next few months. So this will actually come with the kit. We have a lot of work to do. We got to finish this up. So we'll see you later.